What's going on, everybody? It's another day and it's Monday. Time to conquer the day. We got a lot going on. Got to pick up a dumpster. My last video you all seen that we got an ice and snowstorm. Got to go check that out. But right now I got to go pick up this dumpster, take it to the landfill, and then I got a tree to clean up later on because the ice storm and everything tore down a lot of trees, a lot of branches. And we're gonna do that and go from there. Well, we just pulled up to the landfill. It's a little foggy out. Got James with me today. Got a little assistance for this little tree job we're going to be doing this morning, probably afternoon. I don't know how long you think it'll take to do that.
A couple hours.
Yeah, a couple hours. It won't be that bad, but it's a foggy mess. Hopefully it's not too muddy where we got to dump at, and we'll get some footage of that. You can see it's pretty busy here. We got to take the mesh tarp off. Muddy, nasty. Here, come on this side.
Both lights are working.
Huh?
Both lights are working.
Are they really?
Yeah, that one over there's on.
Alright, here, grab like this. Make sure the other end don't fall out. James taking the board off. Both lights are working all of a sudden, I guess, so that's good. Thought one wasn't working, but it turns out it's working. Alright, we just pulled up to the tree job. We got back from the landfill. Didn't get very much footage on the way back, but it's alright. Here's the tree that we're dealing with. It's one of our mowing clients. I actually just trimmed this tree up in the fall, but the ice got it and took her down. So we'll start cleaning this up. Well, we got our first load. Decent little tree here. Doesn't look like much, but you start cutting on everything and the ice on it makes it a little bit heavier. So we're gonna go get the dumpster and put the false wall, set it up, put it all in there so we can probably get in one load and just drag it out. Hook it up to a truck and just drag it out that way, so that way we don't have to keep taking 4 or 5 loads with the dump bed. But we're gonna go take this load to my house and dump it. Starting to get a load on the old trailer. We almost got her cleaned up. Gloves are soaked. A lot of wetness, but we're getting her cleaned up. Well, just cut the big stuff up, finishing up, loading up. James is finishing up this little mess. Had to get the big saw out for this, got a brand new chain for it. Working like a top, some of the roots. Shot some of that stuff up. But that's that. We just got to the site we're gonna dump at. You're gonna have to make enough room so we can open doors. We're gonna use a truck to drag this out. We got a load in there too. And then we're gonna use a snow plow to push it over here to this brush pile. So we gotta do the straps and everything like that, and then show you all how we dump. Think it's gonna work, James? That worked out pretty good using that snow plow to push it into the pile. Well, we just finished our day up. We sure ain't on time-lapse. Well, we just finished our day up. Got everything unloaded. It's pretty easy doing it that way. So, hope you all liked it. Share, like, and subscribe.